Harry. You call me Harry. I'm not as young as I looked. I'm already 67. So my teeth are not good. The teeth, this one is take off and the other one take off. So not many can touch, only 2 can touch. That makes my chew very bad. I couldn't eat properly. In recent 5 years, the chewing functionality becomes worse and worse. So it comes to the time I have to make a final decision to replace one by one or replace all. It's not only the functionality issue, but also economy issue. At the very beginning, I just want to replace the lost one. But they said all of your teeth are not in good condition. If we replace the one, next maybe sometime it's broken too. If we replace one by one, it's more money, and then later you have to replace all. So we make the decision, do it. And Dr. Harmon did it very quick. 1 week after my first visit, the surgery is arranged, and then after I wake up from the surgery, I found that the teeth is there. Everything is good. From the mirror, I saw the Hollywood male star smile. The price is also good. The whole process is very smooth. During the surgery, I do not feel pain. And also after my surgery, I told several of my friends with the teeth problem, and they came. Now they are very happy with the process. The happy experience to be with Dr. Harmon. So everything he thought is very logical, step by step. You see, these 2 teeth, these 4 are the bridge. This one is the last one. It's a good way. I like very much.